The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
That's just how life is. Whoever saw me, it could have been the last time y'all see me. Just about. I'm in the back of Prince Charles Driving Theater, the place where they put Faith's Temple. I'm showing some property. I'm doing the surveying. I'm there to survey the parcel of land. The owner standing in the street. I'm sitting on an old fridge in the front of the property. We're discussing how many lots I must make and blah, blah, blah. Out of the bush come two young men brandishing a handgun. He pointed the gun at me first. He said, "Empty everything you have." I didn't say he must be gonna shoot me first. Then he pointed the gun at Mr. Arana on the background. And Arana, instead of Arana back off, it looked like Mr. Arana wanted to go at the man with the gun. So the man started shooting the gun at Arana. I am sure I saw that man pull the trigger 3 times pointing at Arana. And while he shoot the last shot, the two of them run back in the bush. I thought that was the end for all of us. Well, Christ, Christmas time robbery. They go on the police station. I head straight home. Give God thanks that I'm still here to tell the story. Because how that look, I expect a couple of us to be laying down dead. The nervous criminal shot that gun 3 times. I'm right there sitting down beside him. He's standing beside me because I'm the one he had the gun on first. When you come out the bush, he had to touch me first. I sitting on the old fridge on the bush. The next, they standing up in the road. 3 ladies and the owner. And he ain't shoot at the ladies. He shot their clients. He aimed the gun at me and shot at Arana 3 times and run in the bush. And that could have been a death report today. And I was the first one he pointed the gun at. Robbers. I'm saying this though. Have some y'all pay a light. Stay away from them funny areas what criminals can run out of. Jesus. I don't know what to say right now, but other than thank you, Jesus, for Arana not dead, not a scratch, none of the bullets hit him. And I did not get shot today with robbery. Be blessed. Thank you for prayers, everybody.
Sometimes when me hear some things on social media, it's like me I say, Jano, nowhere not safe. You see me? The video me just presented to you shows a person explaining a situation where he said that he was talking to someone and that they had been approached by 2 men brandishing a handgun. You see me? According to some things that this person said in the video that I just presented to you, it seems as if this person talked about an attempted robbery. You see me? You know, me listen to some of the things that this person had said, you see me, and me try to figure out if the person said that no one got hurt, you see me, because really and truly I am hoping that no one got hurt, you understand? But you see, in my point of view, this person seems to be a little shaken up while explaining what's going on, you understand? Because and I really love viewers and subscribers, something like that or an experience like that can shake you up, you know. It can make you feel away because it's unexpected. You see me I said to you, and so on. Alright, but anyways, you can let me know what you think about some of the things that this person has said, viewers and subscribers, you know. You can let me know if you think anyone got hurt or if you think that everyone is okay or alright, according to some of the things that this person said in this video. I really hope that everyone is okay, you see me? Because me hear where the person said shots had fired, you see me? Alright, I have one more video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. But before I present the video to you, I am going to talk to you about a picture that is circulating on social media. Now, take a look at this picture right here. This picture shows a tomato in a parcel. See? Take a look at the price for the tomato shown in this picture. You see it? $407.10. Jamaican dollar. You see me? Yeah, that's the understanding me get. Now, viewers and subscribers, this picture has been talked about on social media, and I'm going to ask you this question. Would you pay $407.10 for this size tomato shown in this picture? Let me know what you think. You see me? Let me know what you think. And I'm going to tell you this though. See me? And I'm not trying to bash anyone's business nor anything like that. You see me? But me, Dancehall Skilla, know where I can get probably the same size tomato for less. See? For less. Right? Same place within the country of Jamaica. For less. Anyways, I'm going to move on to the video right about now, viewers and subscribers. Alright, you can let me know what you think about the picture that I just presented to you, and you can let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. You see me? Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is out on social media where it is said that the video shows a person on top of a roof yelling and shouting and cussing, as also some persons might call it. You see me? According to some things that had been said about the video on social media, and according to some things that I saw and heard in this video, it is said that this had happened within the country that is known as Guyana, and it is said that the police was at the scene of that incident when the person was on top of the roof, and you know, other things have been said about this video on social media. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the video to you. You can take a look at it and tell me what you think. You see me? I am wondering if this person actually was about to commit suicide, or if the person is mentally ill or what. You can let me know what you think. You see me? I said to you because this video have me thinking. I'm wondering what's going on in this video. You understand? But anyways, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
I want to know people must see the same. There's police brutality. Y'all let them break down because of money. Y'all take money. Well, the problem y'all don't come to me. That's my fuck. I got this video on my phone. Look, I got this video on my phone with me. I got this video. I got this video on my phone. Oh, I know the fucking right. I know the right to call the night because I'm paying, right? And you think I'm 2,000 and listen, man. You rather me tea for me, right? I say 10,000, 10,000, nothing. Anyhow, this man is the law. Start pushing down the fucking yard, pushing them. So I tell you, man, give me $1,000 for the taxi fare. No, I try nothing. It's busting. So what is this? I'm telling for the tea for me.
No, you got it. You got it. Don't go well, just go and go. Go well, people and play. Thing go on. Man, Rafi, go on, boy. Rascal, boy, me I tell you guys, that is not a real fucking place. How quick she reach up, let us go on by. Officer Tom Jones. Can't go up. Get the sauce to sheep, right? Not a criminal, that's a sex worker.
Why is that female on top of the roof arguing? You see me I said to you? I don't totally get it. I don't totally understand why. You see me I said to you? You see me I say? That's one of the questions being asked about this video on social media, you know. You see me I said to your viewers and subscribers, oh boy. Who feels it knows? You see me I said to you? You can hear someone in the background of the video saying some things. You see me I said to you? Might be a hint and clue. Might be. Why is this person on top of a house arguing, cussing? What could have caused something like this to have happened? Viewers and subscribers, above all, I only hope that the person is okay and alright. I hope that the person did not jump off the roof or anything like that. As I said to you. Alright, let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. I don't want to say anything that don't happen or didn't happen. I don't want to give any form of misleading information. So I just leave it right there. Yes, I said to you. Yeah, but you can still let me know what you think about this video. And you can let me know what you think about the picture and the other video that I presented to you. Alright? So here's where I'm going to leave it, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Entertainment.